Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our Google Ads series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can go and watch them. So in today's lecture, we'll be discussing about targeting versus observation in Google Ads. So let's get started. So let's go to the official Google's documentation about targeting and observation. So here we can see the about targeting settings. When you are using the targeting setting for your campaigns or ad groups like affinity audiences, placements, or remarketing, you are telling Google Ads who you would like to reach with your ads or where you would like your ads to show on the internet. For display campaigns, if you don't add a targeting method to an ad group, the only restrictions to where your ads can show are in the campaign and account settings, such as contents, exclusions, locations, and languages. This means your ads can run anywhere on the web across the display network and YouTube within your campaign and account settings. So when to use targeting? Okay. Use the targeting settings in your ad groups or campaigns when you want to narrow your ad group to only show those specific audiences or a specific content you have selected. Targeting is recommended for all the advertiser in the display campaigns. So you have to keep in mind while using targeting options, targeting restricts the reach of your ad group. In addition to narrowing your reach, you have the option to use custom bids or bid as adjustment on a specific criteria with your targeting. So if you want to narrow your targeting option, then you can use this targeting setting. Okay. And next one is about observation settings. So let's read it. When you use the observation setting, the reach of your campaign or ad group isn't affected. In other words, the observation settings won't change who can see your ads or where they can show. However, the observation settings allows you to monitor how ads are performing for your selected placements, topics, or audiences while your campaign is running. Note that observation shows you how additional criteria perform when they fall within the scope of your existing targeting. You can then use this data to guide further actions in your campaign, such as making bid adjustment on a certain criteria. You could also decide to create ad groups with targeting criteria based on your observation. So when to use it? Use the observation settings if you don't want to narrow your campaigns or ad groups targeting any further. Okay. So keep in mind the observation settings does not restrict the reach of your campaign or ad group. Data is reported for ads that meet criteria selected for both observation and targeting. In addition to observing the performance of criteria, you have the option to use custom bid or bid adjustment on specific criteria with your observation. So yeah, I will share this document link with you so that you can study further. So let's go to the Google Ads settings of observation and targeting. So you can either select targeting and observation as per your requirement, but most of the cases I go with this option, and it is also recommended by Google. So you can use this option as per your requirements. So hopefully you have a clear understanding on targeting and observation settings in Google Ads. Yeah, that's it for this video. If you like our video, you can subscribe our channel, follow our page for getting this kind of quality content. Okay, and we're giving it for free. Okay, so you have a good day. Bye bye.